Online courses for kids. Welcome to Online Courses for Kids. In this session, we will learn how to build an application that display a website pages. You can display any website inside your mobile application. Are you ready? Let's go. Please open your browser. Open the following URL, http://ai2.appinventor.mit.edu. From MIT App Inventor home screen, select My Projects. Then select Start New Project. Now let's enter project name. We will call our project, My Browser. Please enter, My Browser in the project name and press OK. Now, you can see the home of your project. A blank screen will appear. Here we will make the design of our application. Now, let's change our screen title. At the right side, you can find Screen Properties. Go to Title Property, and change its value to My Browser. From left side palette, under User Interface tab, select WebViewer, and drag it to the screen. Now, we will change the home URL. From your screen, select WebViewer. From right side Properties, select Home URL. Set its value to https://www.google.com. Now, we are done with our application. Let's run it and enjoy. From your browser, select Connect. Then select AI Companion. A QR code will appear. From your mobile phone, run AI2 Companion. Select Scan QR code, and scan the QR code on your screen. Now your application will appear on your device, and you can run it and enjoy. Now, you can see your browser running in your application. Thank you for watching this session and see you in next sessions.